In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Mailchimp. This is an essential process to know if you're looking to enhance your account's security or simply update your credentials. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start from the Mailchimp homepage. Go ahead and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. This icon is quite important because it's your gateway to many personal settings within Mailchimp. Once you click on your profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu with a variety of options. You want to select the option labeled Profile. It's a straightforward and important selection that will take you to a comprehensive page where you can view and manage your account settings. As you enter your Profile tab, you'll notice different personal details and tabs. What you're interested in right now is changing your password. Right from here, you can initiate this process. It's a pretty seamless activity, and Mailchimp makes it quite effortless. Before you can set a new password, you'll need to verify your identity by entering your current password. This is a security measure that ensures that only you, the account owner, can make significant changes. So take a moment to carefully enter your current password. Once you've done that, it's time to create a new password. Enter your desired new password and ensure it's a strong one. You might want to include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. After entering your new password, you'll be prompted to re-enter it. This step is crucial because it confirms that you've typed in your intended password correctly, which helps avoid any lockouts or errors when you next try to sign in. Finally, after double-checking everything, click on the Update button. This action finalizes the password change and updates your account with the new information. At this point, Mailchimp should confirm that your password has been updated successfully. That's all there is to it. Keeping your account secure with a regularly updated password is a smart practice. I hope this guide has been clear and easy to follow, and that you're now comfortable with changing your password on Mailchimp. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.